All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Meanwhile, Yoruba Nation, no going back, exactly what it is. Finally, Yoruba Nation is vindicated. Àsírí Røçk. Oh my goodness. Well, my people, a lot of people be like, what exactly is going on? A lot of clergymen had actually revealed a lot of things, and then this set of clergymen are notable clergymen, notable prophets we know, and with everything they have said in the past, and then now everything had come to pass. So what are we saying? Well, one of the prophets of God, as far as the Yoruba nation is concerned, as far as Nigeria is concerned, as I've spoken again. Yes, the person of Prophet Segun Adebayo. Yes, he just revealed this, and the majority of people have been like, wow, Baba God, now your hand with day. A lot of people have been shouting, let the Yoruba nation be declared fast so that things will work out for good. Fine. Everybody wants that. Everybody wants peace and the rest of mind. But the truth of the matter is, what has God spoken about that? Yeah, that's another one for another time. Well, meanwhile, until this, finally, Yoruba nation is vindicated. Àsírí Røçk T2. Well, this is another serious one. No leader that does not know about what is happening in Røçk, according to Prophet Segun Adebayo. This is another serious one. All right, and then onto this one, he had been able to reveal to everyone what exactly is happening. As it stands, for all the people who have been saying na lie, this Yoruba nation where then they talk self, I beg you, make una go sit down for one place. Yoruba people will be say they no get power, waiting them feel fight, then they talk say they won't go their own. Well, for all those people who have been saying that, you need to get it right this time around, because there is God in this movement. We have said this times with that number, but I don't know. It's like some set of people do not understand that there is God in heaven who created the heaven and the earth. And that is why I always tackle a lot of people that we say, all these Yoruba nation agitators should just forget it. Who said? Who is saying yes when God is saying no? That's exactly what we are talking about. When God is saying there is a no to one Nigeria, who is that person that will now say there is a yes to one Nigeria? In case you don't understand, in case you don't know. I always use this example. The invasion of Chief Sunday Igboho in the first place, the invasion of his house by about 300 soldiers, 300 force men who actually came not to make friends. Yes, they didn't come to steal, but they came to destroy and kill. Exactly. They didn't come to negotiate anything. And then at the end of it all, this man escaped that. So you are telling me that it was just ordinary? Or you telling me that it was by Igboho's power? I laugh in Swahili. All right, and then as it stands right now, there is God in this movement. Yes, that is not where we are going right now. Now, one of the greatest prophets, he has said it, it had happened before. Yes, it's still happening. Prophet Segun Adebayo has revealed, in fact, he said a lot of things, that as far as 2023 election is concerned, in fact, I'm still coming there. What are we actually talking about? Yoruba nation finally vindicated, yes. And then as it stands, he said something very important. He said one big secret, like one big secret, is going to be exposed as we speak. It's a big secret, and that secret is in Røçk. Àsírí yẹn máa tú. The secret is in Røçk, according to what he has said so far. And this secret, a lot of people be like, wow. And then according to him, he said as soon as this secret is revealed, like as soon as this secret is exposed, then everybody will now run to his or her father's house. Everybody will carry his or her bag and start running. Start going to his or her father's house. Well, according to what he has said, we don't know the exact house he's actually talking about. According to the revelation, I know some of you must have heard that, but at least for the benefit of those who have not heard that, what are we exactly talking about right now? Is the fact that a very big secret which will be exposed, and a lot of Nigerians will shout, oh my goodness, and it will make a lot of people run. That's what we are trying to analyze right now. Run to where? Why will everybody shake as soon as that secret is exposed? What exactly is that secret? And then he said that before 2023 election, it will be revealed. And then according to him, he said majority of in fact, all the politicians know this secret, but they are hiding it. Somebody will say, hope no be waiting at the think, sha. Somebody they say, hope no be waiting me at the think. Even me too. Hope say no be waiting at the think. So anything where you they think, now you they think too, my brother. I laugh in Swahili. Somebody go say, Shana like this, then they laugh for Swahili. My brother, my sister, I laugh in Swahili. All right, so and then as it starts right now, he says everybody needs to be prepared. Yes, everyone needs to be prepared. Come 2023 election. Say that election, na ibon, na in they go take collect am, na in they go take do the vote. No vote. Meaning no vote for election. He vote it on so yeah. What does that tell you? Ibon lefima di. According to the prophet. Ibon lefima di Ibo 2023 tomboy. And according to him, he said something great thing, like as far as this election is concerned, that there's going to be blood flow. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa ṣàn, but ẹ̀jẹ̀ náà kò ní pọ̀. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ yóò ní pọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa jáde. What does that tell you? Yoruba nation are going back. Exactly what the people are talking about. A very big secret which will be revealed. According to him, all the politicians know all this. But as soon as it's been exposed, everybody will run to his father's house. Everybody will carry his bag, according to him. According to what he said, he spoke in Yòrùbá. Now, he talked about the father. In the vision, he saw Yoruba nation flag. Yes. In this Yoruba nation flag, it was plain. There was no image of the Odùduwà. No image of Odùduwà in that flag, in that Yoruba nation flag, according to this prophet. And then according to him, he said, Professor Banji Akintoye needs to do something about the Odùduwà image in Yoruba nation's flag. No be me talk am. Now waiting in talk with that. And then as it stands, he has said it, Yoruba nation will be vindicated. For all those who have been saying, na lie, waiting then they try do, they will be shocked. Yes, so my brother, my sister, many things are actually being said onto this one. And then meanwhile, a lot of people have actually, reacted in different forms onto this one. According to Adeleye Abimbola, he says, well, those people that they are in a hurry of this declaration of Yoruba nation must go and read in order to know how many times Moses go to Pharaoh before God Almighty said yes. Yes, they should go and read very well to know how many times Moses went to Pharaoh before God Almighty said yes. Yeah, so and then he has said it, let my people go several times. But Pharaoh's heart was hardened. But at the end of it all, what happened? It happened. Meaning, it's a matter of time. And the time is just so near. Yeah, so, and then as it stands, God Almighty did wondrous things for the Israelites when they got to the Red Sea. Another mighty miracle happened. So, according to what Adeleye Abimbola has said, he said, so by this Psalms, we have to calm down a bit. We are getting to our Canaan land very soon. By the special grace of God Almighty, Yoruba nation must stand gidigba. Yes, my people, we are here to bring different informations about Yoruba nation to you on this channel. And the positive informations we always will bring to you. Yes, so either they like it or not, it shall be positive. All our informations for Yoruba nation, because God is in this matter, because God is in this movement. What more can we say onto this, my people? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.